Good day everyone. I plan to give a brief talk on Filipino history, focusing on the Cavite Mutiny. This was not just an uprising against oppressive colonial policies. It also helped ignite the fires of nationalism in the Philippines. In order to know how important the Cavite Mutiny was, it is necessary to focus on the events that led to its occurrence. The Philippines is a country that had its fair share of colonization by the Spanish crown for over 300 years. During this time, great injustice was dealt upon the Filipino people. It seemed like by the early 1870s eyes were beginning to be opened, and conditions, especially with the workers at the Cavite Arsenal, were becoming unbearable. The Spanish officials heavily levied taxes and practically introduced gratuitous work among the Filipinos, commonly referred to as polo y servicio. The abolition of exemptions for the workers and the imposition of these obligations was the immediate cause of the disturbance. On February 17, 1872, at the Cavite Arsenal, some Filipino constructor soldiers went up in arms against the Spanish government. They captured Fort San Felipe and cannoned the shots in demonstration of their revolt, but the Spanish authorities were able to repress the rebellion. Within a few days, the leaders were captured. The colonial government in Spanish was keen to set a precedent against the insurgents, and hence executed a rather unfair trial. Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, all three Filipino priests, were found guilty of being behind the mutiny and were put to death through a process called karupi. It was given the name of the martyrdom of Gumburza and came later to symbolize Filipino nationalism. The conduct of Gumburza was critical to the Philippines. He also pointed out that their death moved the next generation of Filipinos to challenge the colonial masters to effect change. Even such a national hero as Jose Rizal referred to the events of 1872 as the important inspiration for the further actions for the reforms and independence. It is found that he did think that if it were for the injustice that prevailed at that time, the lobby for change could not have gained so much momentum. Besides, the Cavite Mutiny also revealed the growth of the Filipino nationalism. It proved that Filipinos were had enough of the stagnation of life and some were ready for a change. It cultivated first feelings of rebellion, which ultimately led to the Philippine Revolution in 1896, in which people such as Andres Bonifacio and Emilio Aguinaldo began to fight against Spanish colonialism. All in all, the Cavite Mutiny of 1872 is not only rebellion but decisive step that assists in the creation of Filipino nationalism. The suffering degenerate the workers' experience and the death of Gumburza became symbols for the succeeding generation on these so many years. Removed from the event, let's not forget the heroes who died for justice and liberty. To this date, they are remembered as we still fight for the equality and rights of the citizens. So in short, for this discussion, the Cavite Mutiny of 1872 was a significant event in Filipino history, sparking nationalism and highlighting the oppressive colonial policies. The Spanish colonization of the Philippines for over 300 years led to injustices, particularly for workers at the Cavite Arsenal. The abolition of exemptions for workers and the imposition of gratuitous work led to the disturbance. On February 17, 1872, Filipino constructor soldiers rebelled against the Spanish government, capturing Fort San Felipe and cannoning the shots. The Spanish authorities suppressed the rebellion, leading to the execution of Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora. 3 Filipino priests and the martyrdom of Gumburza, symbolizing Filipino nationalism. The mutiny also fueled Filipino nationalism, demonstrating that Filipinos were ready for change and fostering rebellion, ultimately leading to the Philippine Revolution. In 1896, the Cavite Mutiny remains a symbol of justice and liberty, guiding future generations in fighting for equality and rights.